All right, good morning, everyone. Time for another greenhouse update. Now, been working very hard to get some fall greens in, and I will speak a little bit about the successes and failures. Now, I reviewed last time that I tried to plant some spinach over here, but none of it really took. And I also planted some collards over here. Now, you see the weeds and the grass is growing up in this area. So what I've been doing is taking these collard plants and transplanting them over here. So the goal is to have at least, this is probably a row of three, 36 a row. We're probably talking about 200 to 300 plants all together by the time it's all said and done. So what I've been able to do is grow a lot of collard greens, a lot of mustard greens, and so that's pretty much what's been taking and what I've been having some success on. So you see these mustard greens are growing up very nicely, and I'll start clipping those back. I have a little bit of lettuce that's growing in here as well. And then what I've been able to do in here is continue to have the cucumbers and the lettuce and tomato, or the cucumber and tomato plants to grow. What I've done here is just cut back those pepper plants because they were not growing, but I did plant them, and I saw another YouTuber state that if you just cut them back and just cover them up, they will definitely resprout back in the spring. So that's going to save me a whole lot of time when it comes to producing some peppers, and they'll grow nice and fuller with this process. So hopefully the increase will come early next spring, so I can have pepper plants growing when everybody else is still waiting for pepper plants to come up, because you know it takes a while for them to produce. So that's the name of the game with these pepper plants. But we have the cucumber plant growing very nicely, and as well we have the tomato plants coming in. I've been also noticing that if you look at the leaf, they're definitely going to sprout some tomatoes. So the name of the game is to keep this inner greenhouse nice and warm. When it comes to the flooring, this is why I put down this straw. And what I'll be doing going forward is taking the straw from the chicken coop and just laying it right on the greenhouse, taking the greenhouse floor in here, as well as utilizing the wood ash that emanates that heat during the nighttime to keep this nice and warm. So hopefully it will work and we'll keep you updated. But that's pretty much uh, the process at this point in time. Uh, it's looking pretty good. The plants seem to be taking. Uh, and there's still just so a whole lot more space that I can work on. So basically, I just have this small space to till up. But what I'll just do is work on, just tilling the rest of the soil and just getting it prepared for the spring and trying to get this into the freezer. But this is going to be at least 10 times more than what I've previously grown in those raised beds outside. So, as you see, the plants are coming along very well. I will get some success out of the collards and the mustards. But, this is what we can grow now, and this is what's taken. So, this is what I will take. I have some Swiss chard that I am trying to germinate the seeds, and hopefully those will come up. These are some Swiss chard. I believe this Swiss chard. Let me see here. Yeah, this Swiss chard. So hopefully I can get at least 20 or 30 Swiss chard plants going. I'll try and plant those out and see if I can get those to produce something as well. But this is pretty much the process. It is looking good. The increase is definitely coming, and I will keep you posted. Shalom.